In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Brevo contacts. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find your contacts, select the right data, and download a clean file you can use elsewhere. Start by opening a new browser tab and searching for Brevo. This is just to get you to the official site quickly. Once the results load, click the first official Brevo link to head to the home page or the login screen. If you land on the home page, proceed to log in from there. Go ahead and log into your Brevo account. Make sure you're using the correct workspace or business account where your contacts actually live. If your organization uses two-factor authentication, complete that step. Also, ensure you have the necessary permissions to export contacts. Some teams limit this to admins for security reasons. After you're in the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and open the Contacts section. This is where all your subscribers, leads, and customer records are managed. You'll see a table listing your contacts, usually with columns like email address, name, phone number, and any custom attributes your team tracks. If you want to export all contacts, click the checkbox at the top left corner of the table. Brevo will detect that you've selected the page and should offer an option to select all contacts. Choose that option so you include every contact across all pages, not just those visible on your screen. This is helpful if your contact list is large and spans multiple pages. Next, find the More Actions button near the top of the contact table and select Export. This opens the export settings so you can decide exactly what data to include. If you don't see it immediately, look for a menu icon or drop-down associated with bulk actions. When prompted, select the contact attributes you want to export, such as email, name, and phone number. Only include what you actually need to reduce file size and protect sensitive data. If your account uses custom fields, choose the ones relevant to your workflow so your CSV is useful when you open it in a spreadsheet tool. Start the export and let Brevo process your request. The system will prepare a file, typically in CSV format, for you to download. Depending on your contact count, this might take a moment. Once it's ready, download the file and save it to a secure, well-labeled location. Open it in your preferred spreadsheet tool to verify the columns and spot-check a few rows. That's it. You've successfully exported your Brevo contacts, ready for backups, analysis, or migration into other tools.